Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. Today I will show you solution of this nice Canadian mathematics Olympiad problem. Here given x raised to power 2 plus x raised to power 2 over x plus 1 whole square is equal to 3. Then we have to find all possible values of x. Let's start. Here I will write this given equation x raised to power 2 plus x raised to power 2 over x plus 1 whole square, and this is equal to 3. What I will do, I can write this x over power 2 plus x over x plus 1 whole over power 2, and this is equal to 3. Let this is A and this is B. So here I will use identity A minus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square minus 2 times A times B. Here I will bring this term in left hand side, so we can write A minus B whole square plus 2 times AB equal to A square plus B square. That means A square plus B square will be equal to A minus B whole square plus 2 times AB. This can be written as, using this identity, x minus x over x plus 1 whole square plus 2 times A, that means x times x over x plus 1, and this will be equal to 3. Here I will take LCM inside this parenthesis and can write x raised to power 2 plus x minus x over x plus 1 whole square plus 2 times x raised to power 2 over x plus 1 equal to 3. This will be x raised to power 2 over x plus 1 whole over power 2 plus 2 times x raised to power 2 over x plus 1 equal to 3. Now, let x raised to power 2 over x plus 1 is equal to psi. So this equation will become psi square plus 2 times psi equal to 3. Now what I will do, I will add 1 in both sides. So psi square plus 2 times psi plus 1 will be equal to 4. And these 3 terms can be written as psi plus 1 whole square equal to 4. So psi plus 1 will be equal to plus minus 2. And psi will have 2 values. This will be minus 3 or 1. Here I will consider first case when psi will be equal to minus 3, and psi is what? This is x raised to power 2 over x plus 1 equal to minus 3. I will cross multiply here, so we'll get x raised to power 2 equal to minus 3 times x minus 3, and here I will make a quadratic equation. This will be x raised to power 2 plus 3 times x plus 3 equal to 0. And here I will use quadratic equation formula to find x. This will be minus 3 plus minus square of minus 3 minus 4 times coefficient of x square. This is 1 times 3 over 2 times 1. This will be equal to minus 3 plus minus square root of minus 3 over 2, and we can write it minus 3 plus minus root 3 times I over 2. This I is showing both the values of x are complex in nature. Now, I will take second case. This is what? This is psi equal to 1. That means x raised to power 2 over x plus 1 is equal to 1. And once again I will cross multiply here. So I'll get x raised to power 2 equal to x plus 1. And again I will make a quadratic equation here. This can be written as x raised to power 2 minus x minus 1 equal to 0. And x will be what? Here I will once again use quadratic equation formula, and this will be 1 plus minus square root of minus 1 square minus 4 times 1 times minus 1 over 2 times 1. And this will be 1 plus minus square root of 5 over 2. So here we will have two real values of x. Now I will summarize all the values of x, and we can write it x equal to 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. Second one is 1 minus square root of 5 over 2. And third one is from here minus 3 plus square root of 3 times I over 2. And fourth one is minus 3 minus square root of 3 times I over 2. So we will have total 4 values of x which will satisfy the given equation. Hence this will be our answer. Thank you.